Erik and Lyle Menendez were convicted of murdering their parents in their Beverly Hills mansion in 1989.
But now, 35 years later, the Los Angeles DA announced that his office will review potential new developments in this infamous case. CBS 8's Esmeralda Perez joins us in studio with an update.
Well, it's a case that's gained a lot of attention, especially with a newly released Netflix series. The Menendez brothers are currently serving life sentences at Donovan Correctional Facility here in San Diego County. Now, today, the Los Angeles County District Attorney George Gascón gave an update where he mentions they are reviewing potential new evidence.
All this is justice.
It's been more than 3 decades since Erik and Lyle Menendez were convicted of killing their parents. In February 2018, Lyle was moved from a prison in Northern California to Donovan State Prison near Otay Mesa, where his brother Erik has been incarcerated since 2013.
I don't think there is any question in this case that the boys or the men, young men, one was 19, the other one was 21 at the time, that they murdered their parents.
Now, the Los Angeles District Attorney's Office is reviewing a letter purportedly written by Erik Menendez months before the killings.
One possibility, what is being alleged by his lawyers, not by us, that there was evidence that had that evidence been presented to the jury, the outcome of this case would have been different. And second, under California law, a path to resentencing where a prosecutor can evaluate whether someone has been rehabilitated, and if so, ask the court to determine whether the person should be resentenced.
George Gascón says they've received a photocopy of a letter that allegedly was sent by one of the brothers to another family member, where it mentions being a victim of molestation. Another piece of evidence provided by the defense states one of the members of the band Menudo alleged being molested by the father. Gascón made it clear that none of this information has been confirmed.
We have not conceded one way or the other. We're not saying that there was anything wrong with the original trial. We have been given evidence.
Now, Gascón says right now they have not made a decision on the outcome and are reviewing the information presented to them. Carlo Marcella.
And when can we expect to hear an update on this case?
Now, the district attorney mentioned that there is a hearing scheduled in November, so next month.
All right, we'll be sure to continue following this case, making a lot of headlines lately with that Netflix series. Thanks so much for the latest, Esmeralda.